This right here is the new JBL Live 780 ANC, just launched in India, and these are said to be too good for the price and a premium sound and features at a not so premium price. But what is the truth? And these cost around 13, 14k with the early pre-booking offer. So are these the best headphones under 15k? Well, I've been using it, comparing it, so I'm going to tell you everything. But first up, what's in the box? So this is what the box looks like. There's the headphones, a USB-C to 3.5mm jack cable, and a soft carrying pouch. And before we move on to the sound here, what really stood out to me when this first arrived in our studio is this premium design. I mean, JBL has clearly nailed it. First up, this is available in 7 different colors, so yes, many choices, and these are actually striking metallic finish colors, although there's black too if you want things, subtle. Now I have this in both orange and this black color, and honestly I love this whole combo of these pastel and shiny shades of orange plus this textured ring on the top. It's pretty cool. And yeah, orange iPhone owners, take note. Honestly, this whole design is a nice combo of metal and plastic, which I would take any day over other headphones in this segment that are mostly plastic. And what surprised me is how this design compares to, competition headphones. I mean, the headband on the JBL is nicer, wide, the hinge is metal, so good for long-term durability, and you just feel confident, adjusting it. I also like how the cushions are soft protein leather, which actually feels soft to touch, also very comfortable during, say, long flights or, binge-watching sessions, and it can flex like this. No, it does not feel delicate. Now, the memory foam cushions are also very thick and deep, pressure is spread nicely on the ears, and all of this, along with the fact that these are very lightweight, makes this a very comfortable pair of headphones. Also, do note that the clipping force is a bit tighter here, so yes, these can be used for running, don't easily move. And going back to the headphone design, the left and right markings are inside the ear cups, so appreciate that. And I like the controls here. So the left cup has volume up and down buttons, and the buttons are very tactile and nice, easily got used to it. The right cup has the ANC button to switch between ANC modes, but yeah, you can customize it to, change EQ, set it to Gemini or Siri. But here's the cool part, this right ear cup also doubles up as a touch panel. So I can just tap to play or pause, double tap or triple tap to skip tracks. There's also tap and hold shortcuts, and you can directly pick calls by tapping your headphones. Again, it's all customizable in the app, which is packed, and I'll get to in a bit. Then there's the LED indicator for battery and pairing status, this power slider to turn on headphones or put them in pairing mode. And yes, this has Google Fast Pair, Microsoft Swift Pair, all of that. Also dual connectivity. So when I'm watching a movie on my laptop, get a call on the phone, these switch pretty much instantly. Now you've got the USB-C port for both charging and wired audio. And do know that wired audio does not work with the USB-C to C setup. You've got to use the USB-C to 3.5mm cable. Now yeah, before we get to anything else, I think we should talk about the sound here, because that's what matters in a headphone, right? Because first up, the specs. The JBL Live 780 ANC has custom 40mm drivers with JBL Signature Sound tuning, high-res LDAC audio support, LE audio over Bluetooth 6, and first up, range is solid. I mean, you could leave your phone or laptop in one room and roam around the entire house, and these would still be playing without any jitter, stutter, unless you live in a mansion or something. In that case, adopt me, please. Now, as for the audio quality, personally, I like the tuning here out of the box. These sounded great, and I didn't have to fiddle or play around with the EQ at all. And since this is coming from me, who's not exactly an audiophile, more of a music enjoyer, I think most of you will probably love the way these are tuned as well. Very crisp, very punchy, very balanced too. And the soundstage feels surprisingly spacious for a closed back wireless headphone. And yes, they're tuned towards bass, so it is thumpy, but stays mostly controlled. So just right, if you ask me, not messing up the vocals and the highs, still having plenty of clarity and separation. To give you an idea, in something like Starboy, that bass, that thump, it is really enjoyable, hits you with that punch without, overshadowing the Weeknd's vocals. Even something like Perfect by Ed Sheeran, vocals sit right up front while the instruments and bass stay nicely layered under it. In Hotel California, you can hear different guitars and instruments, they don't blend together. Even a lot of the Bollywood tracks, you can hear the different layers, the instruments, vocals, everything is very clean. And compared to a lot of other headphones under 15k, which are kind of bass heavy, kind of bloated, these are just well balanced. I mean, I like my bass to be punchy and not bloated, and these just get that spot on. Now coming to the JBL app, if you've seen it, you know that it's crazy feature packed. I mean, you get a full 10-band equalizer here versus most other headphones where you get only a 5-band EQ. There's also spatial audio support, which is fun for movies and shows. It gives it an immersive feel. And there's this personify feature, aka personalized sound, we've seen in flagship headphones and a lot of other earphones as well. And this lets you take a hearing test to tune the audio based on your ears you're hearing. You also get autoplay, pause, the music automatically stops when you take out the headphone. And yes, there's ANC here thanks to a 6 mic setup with adaptive ANC, and you can set the levels manually too if you want. Now I've been trying this out and it cancels things like your AC noise just fine, should be good enough for most cases like traveling, and the seal alone makes music more enjoyable. But yes, it won't cancel out all the traffic or other high frequency sounds. And yes, you get all the features. I mean, ambient awareness transparency mode is very natural, just works how you'd expect it to. No artificial sounds, no buzz, you know what I mean. There's also voice aware, which auto pauses ANC when someone's speaking to you. Very nice feature for office use. Another nice feature is this personal sound amplification, which amplifies your surroundings, so helpful if you have any hearing issues or just want more situational awareness while using these headphones. And I tested this with calls with a lot of background noise, and the other person on the call said it was very clean, so all good. And speaking of calls, you can also change how you sound to other people and how other people sound to you with these app presets. One thing I did notice though, that the mic doesn't work when you're using these in wired mode. Remember the Smart TX device we showed you in the Tore 1 M3 video we did earlier? Well, this actually supports the 780 NC headphones, so you can use it to control everything, change tracks, change volume, change the EQ, everything. And yes, you can use it as a wireless transmitter and also use the Aura Cast feature. I mean, this is great. You can just plug the transmitter into, say, a laptop, start a cast, and your friend can open their phone, join the stream with their earphones that support Auracast, and boom, everyone's hearing the same audio at the same time, and you can just keep adding more people with earphones. Now, as for the battery life, the JBL Live 780 NC is rated for 80 hours without ANC, 50 hours with ANC on, and our testing things were kind of close, so yes, good battery life, and you also get fast charging. Just 5 to 10 minutes gets you 4 to 5 hours of playtime, and a full charge takes about 2 hours. Look, all said and done, after trying these out, comparing things, I can say that these new JBL headphones are a pretty solid deal under 15K. I mean, you're getting good audio with highly tunable EQ, very good mics, one of the best apps, features that you don't get in the competition, and a genuinely premium and solid design. And these are available on Amazon.in, JBL.com, your nearest JBL stores as well. So yeah, check these out and let me know in the comments what you think of these new JBL headphones. And yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Hit subscribe.